Yeah, I'm back to my YouTube channel, and today I will teach you how to do the simple walking Flair sequences that you can use behind the bar. So I will show you two sequences, bottle tin and two tins and the one bottle. The sequences are really simple and super quick, but I created it just for the using behind the bar, because when you work you have no too much time to show the Flair, and that's why this sequence is short. So we're starting from the first sequence, the bottle and tin. And starting with the normal thumb roll with the left hand and with the tin. Yeah, I'm holding the tin like this. This part is up, yeah. The bottle is reverse grip. And we're starting with the thumb roll with the tin. At the same time we're starting to do the circle with the bottle. So our starting position with the bottle like this, and when we do the just thumb roll with the tin, yeah, we starting go from here, so just like this, and the left hand with the tin goes behind, and you throw just the tin behind with no spin. So 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2, and here we just change the grip. So once again, 1, 2, change. Then guys, I'm just throw the tin with one spin and catching to the reverse grip like this, yeah? So you see this grip. And then right after I'm do the thumb roll and do the swing with the right hand, so like this. And the same time, look, I'm already turning my body and look. 1, and then here I'm do this half of the rotation, thumb roll again, so it looks like this. 1 rotation and thumb roll again. 1, 2, but now we're doing and turning the body at the same time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. But now look, from this way, one step, then half a rotation here, then thumb roll and pull, okay? 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and the pull. Sequence really simple, guys, and this is just for the beginners, and you can use it behind the bar. So from the beginning, once again, oh. Then you can change that like under the hand with one spin, or you can do the bump, for example, and the pull again. Do the liquid transfer if you want. Okay guys, next sequence, 2 tins and the 1 bottle. And here also the sequence for the beginners, just a bit harder than the sequence before. So we're starting with this position. In the left hand we're holding the bottle, in the right hand we're holding 2 tins. And the 2 tins I'm holding, and look, my 3 fingers, thumb, index and middle, holding this tin, this one, and the hand with 2 fingers, ring and little, holding this tin, that same side. So, and I can control like this, yeah? Because if you do this one, like this, you can't throw from this way, it's hard really. And when you control like this, you can throw the tin really well. So we need just to throw the tin from right side to the left and catch to the bottom. So like this. after practice, this move absolutely separate. Just do this and practice this move, because this move, it's a harder part from this sequence actually, you know. And right after we're catching this thing, we're turning our body in this way, because you already know, I've teached it before, we don't throw in this way. If you stay in this position, we throw over the shoulder by this way. So, look. I throw here. And also it looks better with the flow. So if you throw it here and throw here, yeah? For example, if we do the same and I throw from this way, look the difference. After I throw this thing, we need to make a snatch. It's like the second part of this sequence. We throw the thing with one spin, taking this thing and snatching this thing, okay? So like this. Just also practice this move separate. So, from the beginning. Yeah, once again. And right after, guys, we snatching this thing, we need to throw over the shoulder again, but with two spins already. So, to the left hand. And we're just changing from left to right the bottle, so, like this. And try to take the bottle closer to the neck. So, or you can take it just by the neck, look. Like this. And look, I'm taking the bottle already between my ring and middle finger. Right after I'm throwing the tins with two spins, I'm taking the bottle like this, because after we will do the finger roll, yeah? So, from the snatch, yeah? Right after we turning our body in this side, do just a simple finger roll, one spin between middle finger, so, like this. You already know this move also, I teach it before. And by the flow we throw this bottle to the up, so, like this, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So, from the beginning, guys, again. 1, turning the body, snatch, throw, 2 spins, take in this position, between middle and ring finger, hand looking up. So, finger roll, turning the body, throw, stop. Making the pull. Do 1 spin, catching, making pull again. 1 spin, catching. Yeah, you know, it's already you can do whatever you want after this move, or you can just after finger roll you can catch it to the other stall if you want. If you can do the elbow stall, for example, catch it to the elbow stall. Yeah, and then just make the pour, watching to the customer, they say wow, yeah, and you do 1 spin with the liquid inside. Do it again, then just putting the bottle to the speed rail and do just a liquid transfer. That's it, yeah. Whole sequence to this one bottle from the beginning once again. Yep. I hope you enjoyed these moves and you will show me how you do this. And also, guys, don't forget, you can do the upgrades for all of these sequences and moves I showed you. Flair doesn't have any rules, you know, just create by yourself whatever you want. And show me your results, because I will be the happiest man if I see the progress from you. Thank you so much, thank you for watching my channel, make the comments, follow my channel and follow my Finger Roll 2 Pro Edition online course. There I will teach you my best tricks with the fingers and prepare you for the competitions. Cheers guys, and see you in the next video.